Hello everyone, my name is Parvati Lakshmindrika Sai. So I'm currently working as data science intern in inSAKE Intelligence Foundations. I would like to give a feedback of my internship experience throughout this journey in data science at inSAKE Intelligence Foundations. So first I would like to thank Mr. Sai for giving us a marvelous opportunity for this internship. We have done many different type of techniques and explore different type of foundations of data science. Where my mentor, Mr. Karthik Menda, has teached us some of the most important topics like Python and libraries, pandas and NumPy, and also introduced me different type of foundation of data science techniques, and where I have learned about different type of plots, data visual techniques, how to analyze the data, how to grab the insights from the data, how to understand the visualizations so that we can understand the personal data. Where I have based on his teaching, I have created a personal finance dashboard using Dash and Python, and also done one of the major finance project submission. And in that project, I have used external analysis and modeling also, where I have also learned about different type of parameter tuning techniques, hyperparameter tuning techniques, and pre-processing techniques. And I also introduced based on advice. I have also introduced to the machine learning algorithms, with some of the most famous machine learning algorithms like XGBoost, random forest regression, and some of the hyperparameter tuning techniques, etc., which really helped me a lot to enter the world of machine learning algorithms. So because a basic knowledge of machine learning is very, very important to pursue a data science career or to become a data scientist. So this type of mentorship or internship program really helped me a lot in my career, because it really tries me to pursue my career in data science, which really enhanced and which really made me amazed about the data. So how to deal with the data, how to play with the data, and how to analyze the data in real-time world, because as we can know, in this world every day millions of tons of data was being used. So data scientist job or data scientist career is really, really important and emerging trend nowadays. His internship program definitely helps students to understand the data and how to pursue a career in data science, which really helps us a lot to get in the foundations of data science. I would like to suggest other people to please encourage this program and please enroll in this program. So this internship experience learning will really gives a lot. So finally, I would like to thank my mentor, Mr. Karthik Menda, and my guide, Mr. Shah Shetty, for giving us this driving support throughout this journey. Thank you.